Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Gaurav Datta and I am pursuing my senior residency in SSG Government Hospital, Baroda. Recently, I have completed my ENT exam, and it's a big pleasure for me to tell you all that by the grace of Almighty, my parents and teachers, I have achieved first rank, that is the gold medal in my university in the subject of ENT. Today, I am here to talk about my experience with the ENT Residency app. This application has been led by Dr. Shyam Kalyan sir and Dr. Mehak Agrawal ma'am. When I was in my first year, it was very difficult for me to approach to how to read the ENT as a subject as a whole, because the first year, as you all know, is a very tough year of our life. It comprises of too much of emergencies and ward duties, and we here in Baroda have alternate day emergencies and alternate day surgeries. So it's quite of impossible to cope up with the studies during your first year. But by the end of the first year, this application came. Initially, when we look at the books of the ENT, it looks a cumbersome task to finish all the books. Even a tenure of 3 years seems to be pretty less to finish a course of ENT, which seems to be a minor subject to others, but actually it's not. It's a vast subject comprising of various aspects of otology, rhinology, laryngology, and head and neck surgeries. And the anatomy and the surgeries of the ENT are extremely tough compared to the other branches. So, understanding the concepts of the anatomy and the disease and also the surgeries was a very difficult task. And then came the ENT Residency app, which initially we used, and it seemed to be very innovative because all the concepts of the ENT from vivid books across the world, I would say, have been assimilated in a single application and has been represented in a very beautiful and a representable manner. The lectures of the ENT Residency app pertains to all the important topics which an ENT surgeon should know by the end of his residency, not only to clear his exam but also for the real life scenarios. So, I would like to thank Dr. Shyam sir and Mehak ma'am for giving such a beautiful application and making the life of all the residents easy to read the ENT subject. I won't say that this application is a replacement to the standard books, but I would definitely say that this application helps you sail through the difficult portion of the ENT very easily. The standard book, I would say, according to me, in ENT is Cotton Brown. But for different subjects, you can read different books. Like for otology, there is Shambok's textbook. For rhinology, I use Dr. Renuka Brado ma'am's book of rhinology and many other books having endoscopic approaches. For laryngology, Dr. Nupur Nerurkar ma'am's textbook of laryngology. For head and neck, Scott and Brown is enough for the PG level, but if you want extensive reading, then you can refer to Stell and Maran books of head and neck surgeries. Other than that, I would say that all the flowcharts and the diagrams in the books are extremely well made. It seems that some artists have made a painting. It doesn't seem that it is made by a surgeon. So I would really like to suggest you all that whosoever wants to pursue their diploma, degree, or DNB in ENT must have this application. But still, I would like to say, always remember that it's not the replacement of the standard textbooks. You should always go through the standard textbook. Okay, so if you finish this application and then you read the books, it will be quite easy for you to accumulate all the knowledge whatever is given in the book. So thank you very much, and all the very best to all my viewers. And I would again like to thank Dr. Shyam sir and Dr. Mehak ma'am for this amazing application. Thank you.